Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To my lecturer course HFC 3052 in Power Electronic and Drive Technology, Sir Muhammad Fauzi bin Anwar and Sir Nosharizam bin Shahri. Firstly, I want to introduce about myself. My name is Muhammad Fais bin Abdul Rahim from Department Industrial Mechatronics Semester 3A. Now, I want to present my project sheet for the assignment. I'm using a Proteus software to run the circuit simulation for this project. Okay, for this project, I made a project DC to AC converter using Proteus software. Now, I'm open the project. Simulation by Proteus. This software very easy to use for run or create any project before assemble in hardware. We can check the project successfully or not using the software. Okay, this is my project DC to AC converter. Component that used for this project is 4 resistor, 4 capacitor, 2 transistor, 1 inductor, 1 variable resistor, and 1 IC 555 timer. Okay, I explain in more detail component that used for this circuit. R1 is 100,000 ohm, R2 10,000 ohm, R3 10,000 ohm, and R4 270 ohm. Okay, for capacitor, C1 220 microfarad, C2 100 nanofarad, also C3, and C4 10 nanofarad, and L1 0.3 hazard. Okay, transistor TIP 41, NPN, and Q2 transistor 2 TIP 42. For datasheet is PNP transistor. R4 and L1 I'm used as a output. I'm using a 9 volt DC supply to run this circuit. This is digital oscilloscope for show the waveform input and output. Okay, so I run this project. Okay, digital oscilloscope. Channel A yellow to read the waveform output, and channel B blue to read the waveform input. Okay. Channel A I set 2 volt, and channel B 5 volt. For time per division is 5 milli per second. Okay, this circuit with the potential adjusting potential meter to allow us to set a specific frequency. Allow discharge on the circuit and 50,000 and 100,000. 3 pin use would have assumed the duty of the oscillator circuit, giving an output specific frequency. Inshallah. Okay. In this case, when the output from the 3 pin high potential that come when Q1 open NPN transistor and the positive output reach a certain voltage value. when low output from the 3-pin open the capacitor C1. The capacitor C1 is load. PNP is transistor Q2, and current began to flow in the opposite direction. We use integrated circuit 555 with 50K potentiometer, AC variable frequency. We have achieved to 40 to 60 Hz square wave. Examine oscilloscope mention state of this point. We were seen in graph. The graph show the yellow is channel A, the output voltage AC, and the channel B is blue for show the DC supply. So set the channel B is ground, so you can see the 0 volt give the DC. Okay, so there's a supply from the 9 DC volt. Okay, this is output. Okay, AC show the output with spike because resistive load and with inductive load. Okay, application for this circuit, DC to AC converter. This circuit can be used in car and other vehicle to charge small batteries, and this circuit also can be used to drive low power AC motor, and it can be used in solar power system. That's all my presentation for this project. Thank you for sir because listening my presentation. Assalamualaikum.